461 species in genus Ceropegia. April 5th, Ceropegia, the string of hearts, defines April 5th. Ceropegia symbolizes love, connection, and endurance. Your relationships are marked by deep bonds and a sense of balance. Much like the delicate vines of this plant, you have a unique ability to create meaningful connections that stand the test of time. Ceropegia, a love affair with lantern flowers. My name is Vu, and I have a confession to make. I'm utterly captivated by Ceropegia. These fascinating plants belong to the Apocynaceae family. With their intricate flowers and unusual growth habits, have completely stolen my heart. Perhaps you know them by one of their more evocative common names: lantern flower, parasol flower, or even parachute flower. These names all hint at the unique beauty of Ceropegia blossoms, which truly resemble delicate, intricately crafted lanterns. My fascination began innocently enough. I stumbled upon a Ceropegia woodii, the string of hearts, at a local plant shop. Its trailing stems, adorned with heart-shaped leaves, were irresistible. But it was the peculiar, cage-like flowers that truly intrigued me. They were unlike anything I'd ever seen before. From that moment on, I was hooked. I delved into the world of Ceropegia, eager to learn everything I could about these botanical wonders. I discovered that the genus encompasses a vast array of species, each with its own distinct charm. Some, like Ceropegia sandersonii, boast large, bulbous flowers that resemble parachutes. Others, like Ceropegia ampliata, have elongated, tube-like flowers that are equally mesmerizing. A diverse and enchanting genus. The diversity within the Ceropegia genus is astounding. Native to Africa, Southern Asia, and Australia, these plants have adapted to a variety of environments, from arid deserts to lush forests. This has resulted in a remarkable range of growth habits and floral forms. Some species are climbers, using their tendrils to scramble up rocks and trees. Others are trailers, their stems cascading gracefully over the edges of pots or hanging baskets. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just pretty faces. But Ceropegia are more than just pretty faces. They are also fascinating examples of plant adaptation. Their unique floral structures are designed to attract and trap specific pollinators, often flies. The flowers emit scents that mimic the smell of decaying flesh, luring flies into their intricate chambers. Once inside, the flies become covered in pollen, ensuring the continuation of the species. This ingenious pollination strategy is just one of the many reasons I find Ceropegia so captivating. They are a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of nature. They remind me that even in the harshest environments, beauty and complexity can thrive. A growing passion. My journey with Ceropegia has just begun, but I'm already deeply invested in these extraordinary plants. I've started my own collection, carefully nurturing each specimen and eagerly awaiting the emergence of their unique blooms. I've also become an avid propagator, sharing my passion with others by giving away cuttings and seedlings. Ceropegia have enriched my life in countless ways. They've brought me joy, sparked my curiosity, and connected me with a community of fellow plant enthusiasts. They are a constant source of wonder and inspiration, and I can't wait to see what other secrets they reveal to me in the years to come.